The town of Queen Creek started using business cards about 10 years ago, originally for our directors, and we decided to move forward with our field staff because it was a time savings tool for our staff to be able to go and make quick purchases for small dollar amounts. So as the town began to use more and more cards, we realized there were more transactions coming in. This created more of an issue because there was no vendor history for any of the purchases that were being made. There was no validation for our GL accounts when the users would input the data into the P-card bank site. There was no validation for the correct GL accounts. So when it came to the month end or even year end, we had a lot of issues closing on time and being able to produce reports for the departments to find out where their spending limits were. As a system administrator, I'm often playing with permissions and going through the menus, so I had stumbled across the P-card program within Munis and started investigating it, started researching it, looked at the knowledge base and realized it was a great tool that we could try to use to improve our process. So after doing a couple of tests on my own and working with some of the finance staff, we decided to try and implement it, and we used a small test group of 1 or 2 system analysts or business analysts within the departments, and they have anywhere between 7 to 15 P-cards, so we thought using a smaller group would be better to test the functionality. And after about 3 months, the test went great. We communicated with the other business analysts within the department, presented the Munis P-card program, showed them how the program worked, and within 6 months we had the whole town and all of our 80 P-cards on the program. Once the town of Queen Creek implemented the Munis P-card program, we found a lot of time-saving tools as well as a lot of data tools that helped our financial analysts gather the information that they needed when it came to spending authority for their departments. So the first one was real-time data. We were able to have data uploaded on a daily basis from the system. That allows the department analysts to go in, key their GL accounts, enter the great description telling them what exactly it was that they purchased, and being able to link an actual vendor to that purchase. We were able to close our months and our year-end closing within 5 days of the statements ending, and we're just able to have a much smoother transition from the P-cards in Munis compared to when they were just through the banking system.